Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. If you make one common mistake, you may end up spending thousands of dollars on tools, parts and diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW X3 or X4, that generation that you see here from year 2010 to year 2018. If you have one of those, if you need to find where the fuse and the relay for the Tpms system are located, Tpms lights, stay with us. We'll explain where you can find them, where you can guys buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time. Well, it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure to stay until the end. So before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, fuses, bodywork, a little bit of everything. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. And guys, if you need to buy any parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time, we're going to put links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Check it out, that way do not waste your money guys. Also, we will have more than 14,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out guys. We'll have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs as well. So let's start on it now. So guys, this BMW has many hidden fuse boxes that most people do not know that they even exist. You have up to 5 or 6 different fuse boxes, and for many of you, okay, some of those are special fuse boxes, kind of like this one here. If you don't know about them guys, we'll recommend to check out the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on BMW X3, X4. Check it out, it can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. So guys, where you can expect to find the fuses and the relays for the Tpms light, Tpms system. Now, if you want to see guys, okay, how to test Tpms sensor, how to program Tpms sensor on a BMW, or how to tell which Tpms sensor is bad, we have a video on the channel that will teach you how to do that. This tool is amazing. We'll put a link in the description of the video below about that tool. If you need to buy it, it can solve all your Tpms problems easily guys. What you guys need to do now, open the door on the passenger side, and here, that's your glove box, open it, clear the content. On the very back on the right side you have a cover, press that notch down, pull that cover, and you're going to find the fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let us tell you guys why it's super important to test fuses and relays. Fuses guys sometimes are really hard to know if they're burnt or not. For instance, I'm going to pull one fuse here, okay, and sometimes you cannot clearly see if they're good, they're bad. And let's say you think you have a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up having problems again, and you spend time, money, you buy parts, diagnostics, you pay for services that you don't need guys. You practically wasted your money. So all you have to do, check your fuses, that way you don't waste money guys. So always test your fuses, even if you think it's good, always test it. It even happened to us guys, okay, and we work on cars all the time. Another thing, always test your relays. They're a little bit harder to test, but if you want to see guys how to test fuse relays, we will put a link in the description of the video below. But we've seen so many customers that think that they have a good fuse, they put it back in, they waste their money on parts and diagnostic that they practically guys do not need. So check out the link in the description of the video below, how to test the fuse and how to test the relay as well. So guys, okay, most of the fuses are here, right? That's where people assume, but you have a fuse box that actually the Tpms fuse is a different place. It's in the trunk. Remove that cover, leave that insulation, it's hidden. You have that fuse box right there guys. And here, what do we need to check? One fuse, and then we'll talk about relay as well. The fuse itself guys, okay, if you come that way, you count fuse number 137, 138, 139. That 5 amp fuse, that's the one that you will guys need to check. For the Tpms system, you do not have a relay. It's controlled by the body control module. So practically you have a relay fuse. So if you have a problem, check that fuse guys. But we have videos that will explain how to fix Tpms light on BMW X3, X4 on our channel if you need help with that. So guys, if you need to buy parts, tools, fuses, relays for your BMW at a good price, quick shipping, guys. We're going to put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from, because we have very specific fuses, especially these little fuse boxes, guys. Those could be really hard to find. You can see like the one right here as well, guys, and we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping as well. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.